How are we all doing? Welcome back to the channel. Just had a delivery today. Really excited about this one. I've got the new RACEFIT titanium exhaust for my Fireblade. So we're going to open it up, have a little look, see what's inside. Everybody was banging on about RACEFIT. Mixed reports. A lot of people were saying Akro, a lot of people were saying RRR, various different brands. To be honest, I've had them all. But RACEFIT is something that I've not come across. So let's get opening this package and see what's inside. Right, you'll have to excuse the mess as well. I'm just currently in the process of sorting out the man cave. So all the bikes are elsewhere at the moment. And we're going to be, well, I'm going to be painting the garage walls, the ceiling, putting some nice flooring down. So I've just literally cleaned all the floor, ready for putting some concrete dust sealer down, and then I'll be painting this half, the side where I do like mechanical work. I've got my ramp here, and then the side where the motorbikes are going to go, I'll put some rubber flooring down. Anyway, enough of that rubbish talk. What we're here for, we're here to have a look in this package from RACEFIT. But yeah, I spoke to John at RACEFIT and Tamara, and they were absolutely fantastic. There was a little bit of confusion with the order, but they were on the phone and sorted it, you know, in the same morning. It was absolutely fantastic, so I cannot fault RACEFIT customer service. Absolutely superb. So we're not installing the exhaust tonight. Unfortunately, I'm going to be really busy for the next few days, so I'm not going to get a chance to install it on me Fireblade, but I just thought you'd all want to have a little look and see what a RACEFIT titanium exhaust looks like. Right, let's have a little nosy in here. Right, nicely packaged, well secure, to be honest. It came with UPS, next day delivery, so it's packaged in a big cardboard tube. And this is the bit we're all excited for. Keep that to the side. What's in there? That's nice. So it's got my order number on. And many thanks, James. My best regards, John. So that's John at RACEFIT. So good chatting to you, John. And yeah, highly recommend RACEFIT for customer support. Right. It weighs nothing. It absolutely weighs nothing. Well, let's get this bad boy opened. So I opted for the titanium laser engrave logo on the back, which looks absolutely beautiful. And the actual pipe, it's all titanium. It weighs nothing. It does obviously weigh something before you start commenting, but yeah, it's so light. I'll get it on the scales when I do the install and see what it is, but that's going to be a massive difference. Honestly, trust me, it weighs hardly anything. But the quality of the work, all these welds, honestly, absolutely superb quality. So that's the RACEFIT Black Edition exhaust. So yeah, I'm really happy with this. It absolutely looks beautiful. I can't believe how light it is. And like I said, excuse the mess in the garage. We're just in the process of painting ceilings, walls, floors, etc. But we'll go stick it next to the Fireblade and let's have a little look and see what the RACEFIT Black Edition, it's not black, but they call it the Black Edition. Let's see what it looks like next to my new 2024 Fireblade. Let's go have a look. Absolutely stunning bike, but as usual, it's been absolutely painted down here in the UK, so not been out much on it recently. So that's the standard can, which is a shame because I actually like this. This is the Akro exhaust, which sounds okay, but not until you wind it up. That servo valve there opens up at about 6,500 revs, and then it does have a nice tone to it. But this thing, I believe, is going to be next level. So we'll be getting that installed maybe tomorrow night. I'll see how I crack on, but I mean, you can see there, big weight saving straight away. I'll look at the difference. But yeah, that's really nice. And I think that laser engraved RACEFIT logo looks absolutely brilliant. Just put that next to the Honda colours, it looks superb. So that's what it's going to look like. It'll just go. I've ordered a new hanger as well. I've got an EvoTech hanger on the way. So we'll get rid of the pillion pegs because I'll never take a pillion on this bike. But that's the comparison between the Akro and the RACEFIT. So I'm super excited to get this installed, but I've had a little Google and it's about an hour job. You've got to take fairings off and take that servo out the way. So there's a bit of messing about. So I'm not going to start now because it's a little bit late, but just a quick video to let you all see the Black Edition RACEFIT versus the standard RRR Akro exhaust, which is beautiful as well in titanium, but just doesn't have the grunt what I'm looking for. And I'm hoping this is not going to be too obnoxious, but we shall see. So there we go. That's the RACEFIT Titanium Black Edition exhaust. Just received today, ordered yesterday, received this morning with UPS. Looks absolutely stunning. Apparently sounds amazing. And made in the UK. So if you're from the UK, support British manufacturing. But yeah, the bends on this are absolutely fantastic, and the welds are beautiful, absolutely beautiful. Even the hanger part, really, really good quality welds, good work. So we'll get that installed as soon as, and we'll have a bit of a ride out comparison vid between the two. But for now, that's the RACEFIT Black Edition Carbon. Not carbon, let's try that again. But for now, that's the RACEFIT Black Edition. And it isn't black, but that's what they call it. The Black Edition, full titanium exhaust for the 2024 Honda CBR1000rr-r SP.